Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and daily update on Bitcoin. A bullish Bitcoin again. Bitcoin has shown some more bullish momentum today, so I just wanted to give you my full thoughts on it, whether we can actually still get to 30k. And because what we saw with Ethereum yesterday is that we got our bullish breakout, broke above 1840, went up to the next resistance level, but obviously Ethereum also has the Shanghai upgrade coming soon. And Bitcoin, I mean, it's looking strong. We broke above 28,500, but altogether, it doesn't look like there's that much momentum, right? So that's what I wanted to talk about. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find instructions on how to join the group, but also trade results if you're interested in that. All right, now on to Bitcoin. So what we saw this night, practically since the Binance FUD, we have been continuing to go up. That has been, well, it hasn't been carried by, but it was certainly helped by a dollar strength index that was very bearish, what you can see. And I actually expect this bearish momentum to continue, even though we are at a major support level. This level between 101.4 and 101.5 is pretty strong. But if you look at, for example, the euro against the dollar, which is one of the main drivers of the dollar strength index, you can see that we had a major bullish breakout and that we will get up to 1.1. Well, that's more bullish momentum, which I think will cause the DXY to drop down. Now, whether we will actually drop down below 101.3, that remains to be seen. I'm not too sure about that. If that happens, I think Bitcoin has a big chance of actually getting at least up to 29,500, which is technically our next level. But it will depend a lot on that. It will depend on what the dollar strength index does. And altogether, what we saw yesterday, for example, is that even though Bitcoin was carried up a bit by the dollar strength index, usually when we fall this much, I mean, since Monday, we've dropped from 103 to 101.5. Usually when that happens, that was since Monday, and we have since then gone up, but like net, we are not that far off from where we started. So sometimes we don't get that much bullish momentum anymore from the dollar strength index, and that kind of is the problem here, because apart from that, you can also see that Bitcoin hasn't been trending for a while. Technically, it hasn't been trending since the 19th of March. So when would we all of a sudden now be able to break above 28,800 and 28,700? That's the main question. And to be honest, I don't think there's an answer to it. There are no major catalysts right now. Obviously, there is bullish momentum around the market, so it could happen. But yeah, as I said, for now, no big economics events today. Tomorrow we'll have the initial jobless claims, which we usually react very weird to. So for now, I actually do not think that we will be able to break above our main resistance between 28,700 and 28,900. Now, if the dollar strength index starts falling down to like 100.7, which is the next support level, which we only reached once at the beginning of February, then, as I said, I do think we will be able to break out, but I just don't see that necessarily happening for the dollar strength index, even though we're falling. And 29,500 is certainly not 30k, right? And we're not moving a lot right now. I mean, if you take a look at the last 15 minutes, we've practically been at the same level since like 3 a.m., which is about 6 hours ago. So I actually think it's more likely that from here we will fall back down, stay in this consolidation, find support at around 27,700, 27,500, and from there we'll see again. But that's my take on it for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know as always. But for now, take care. Thank you for watching, and bye.